If you have ever searched how to make money online and got confused by fake promises, this video is a solution. I'm going to show you real working platforms that pay people worldwide, whether you're in Nigeria, India, the Philippines, or anywhere else. No fluff, no scams, just proof. So guys, now we have data entry jobs. So guys, for data entry jobs, we have Clickworker. So guys, you can make money using the Clickworker. So guys, you can simply go through Clickworker right here. So guys, this is what Clickworker is all about. You can simply get more information on this. So guys, kindly go through it. Now for the second data entry jobs, we have Microworker. All right. So guys, especially right here under Microworker, you can simply take surveys and do a whole lot of things to end right here. All right, image tagging, audio transcription, content moderation, and so on the microworkers.com. So guys, and this is global, and you simply earn and by pay for tax. So guys, you won't get rich doing this, but you can build a consistent $50 to $200 per month side income if you put daily effort. All right, now the next one is simply Microtasks and online gigs. Now for the Microtasks and the online gigs, we have TimeBucks. So guys, you simply earn for small tasks like surveys, watching videos, and posting on social media on the TimeBucks. So to actually get started on TimeBucks, you simply want to go to TimeBucks.com to actually create an account. It is totally free. All right, so you can take surveys, you can watch videos, as you can see right here. You can also verify your friends right here and get paid. So next one is simply called SproutGigs, and SproutGigs is formerly known as Microworkers. This we have micro jobs you can simply do in minutes right here on the SproutGigs. So SproutGigs is classified under Microtasks and online gigs. So they hire with people for any task. All right, so to actually get started, guys, you simply want to click on sign up right here to actually get started. Don't worry, I'll be leaving all the links in the description of this video. Another microtask is ySense. So guys, you simply do surveys and take tasks and offers, all right, and pays via Payoneer, PayPal, and or Squid. So guys, this is ySense. Guys, this is ySense. You can simply earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. All right, they have cash offers right here. So guys, you can simply go through this to actually get started. For the next one, we have the paid survey sites. I simply call this legit survey site. So we have Swagbucks. So guys, on Swagbucks, you simply earn for surveys, shopping, watching videos, and so on. So guys, this is how it works. After signing up, tell us about yourself to get personalized offers, redeem gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. All right, so get paid to answer surveys anytime, anywhere. So guys, you simply want to click on sign up now to actually get started. Another one is simply InboxDollars. So guys, if you are in the US, you can make use of that, or for the VPN users. So another one right here is simply called Outpost.com, and you simply get paid for your opinions. All right, you earn working rewards by taking surveys in your spare time. All right, so guys, you can try them for free by simply clicking on this to actually get started, and you can earn Amazon gift card, PayPal, and so on. All right, so guys, always use your real age and interest. That's how you qualify for most of it using this site. All right, so guys, if you're getting value from this, make sure you actually subscribe. All right, make sure you subscribe, like this video, please guys, like this video, and also share with your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and so on. And guys, you can also get paid for watching ads and videos. So guys, you simply want to go to HideoutTV to actually watch short videos at endpoints redeemable for gift cards. All right, and if LootTV is available in your country, you can also make use of that. All right, LootTV. Another one right here is simply Swagbucks. Simply earn SB points for streaming ad supported content And guys, you can watch video using Swagbucks also, so you can watch video using this. And guys, now these watching hours and videos, this is perfect for multitasking. You simply play videos while working on something else. Alright, so guys, you're doing this for free. So guys, make sure you actually try this out immediately you're done with this video. All right, another one is passive income apps. So guys, we have different apps that can simply earn you money daily. So guys, number one right here is the Honeygain. So guys, you simply want to share your unused internet bandwidth and earn passively. So you can use my invite code, I'll be leaving it in the description of this video, to actually get started, earn money online effortlessly with Honeygain. So this is what Honeygain is all about. So guys, you can simply go through it to actually get more information about Honeygain. All right, so you earn money from all your devices. All right, so guys, you can simply go to it and check what Honeygain is all about. So guys, and you can also make use of peer to profit to actually earn passive income. All right, they are all passive income apps. And another one is PacketStream, you can also make use of that. All right, so guys, this won't make you rich, but they are true set and forget income apps that can add $10, $30 a month automatically. All right, so guys, all these methods are free and beginner friendly, and you can start from home today. All you need is your phone, data, and consistency. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more global work from home guys, and comment below which method you will start with.